welcome back to my channel. Here in our garden right now, and look, we've got a new hose. Nagbuo siya sa akong mga tanong karon, guys. So, you say hi to them, Besha? Say hi! You say hi to them, uy! Mawawon ako no kay siya, guys. Oh, nabuo siya sa akong mga tanong. Look at that. Buutan na kayo, no? Okay, so see you later, guys. We will be making banana muffins today with Janaki Devi. So let's get started. I'll go to the kitchen right now. I'm just checking my gardener / my editor. Oh, naunsa na siya diri, no? Okay, so see you later. Guys, welcome back. So we're actually here with the kids. And today we're gonna be making some banana pancakes. So this will be eggless banana pancakes, okay? Because we're vegetarians and we do not use eggs in our cooking or in our baking. So this banana cupcakes will be eggless banana cupcakes, all right? So our ingredients, guys, I have here flour, sugar, oil. I have here baking powder, baking soda, salt, and some, look at these bananas here. These bananas are actually really pag-think mo nga lata na siya, but this is actually lata na. And siya gisusan ako sa ref kasi wala pa man siya na kung nagamit.
And this one is vanilla flavor.
Oh, okay. That's vanilla flavor. And our bananas actually lata na siya. And this is very good to make banana cakes or banana pancakes or banana bread. Kaya all the more lata ang bananas, all the more sweeter siya. Okay? Sweet kaya ang labas niya. Alright? So, we'll begin cooking. We'll begin baking. So, I'll have here with me some guests. Guest, what's your name? Alexa, how old are you?
9 years.
9 years old. What about you? What's your name?
Chanaki.
Chanaki, how old are you?
7.
7 years old. Yeah, she's my daughter. And oh, who's that one? What's your name?
Buki.
Buki? What's your real name? Dropity Therese. Alright. So these guys here will be our bakers for today. Okay? So are you ready, guys?
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So I want you guys to get bananas here. I want you to get bananas. Okay. Get the bananas and you need to mash the bananas.
I already know.
Yeah. Mash the bananas and put the peel here. You need to put the peel here back. Okay? Mash it. Mash the bananas.
So it's a bit hard, guys. That I made last time. So easy last time, but not so dry now. Oh my god, this is so really stinky. Last time that I made is not
It's not hard.
Yeah.
Banana's not hard. It's really soft. Yeah. Okay, here, drop it Therese. You make yours here. So, you're eating the banana, Jomadi. You're supposed to mash it. Mash the banana. Don't eat.
So yummy.
So yummy. Okay. So, Alexa, how's your bananas going there? Fine. Chanaki. It's fine. It's getting better now?
It's getting hard.
It's getting harder? Drop it, Therese. What about you?
It's not hard.
It's not hard. Very good. What?
So yummy.
So yummy?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, you need to mash the bananas. You keep on eating the bananas.
So, look at guys. So, it's... Oh my gosh, it's real sticky. So it can't stick your hand. But it's okay. Look at here. It's not very sticky. Oh my gosh. So let's do it our spoon. So you can see.
You're eating the bananas, Draupadi.
I like a Barbie.
Naughty, naughty. Ate Alexa. There. How are you there?
I'm fine.
You're fine? How's your bananas going?
Better.
Better. Okay, very good.
Mine is I'm gonna put a lot.
Get more.
I have to get more, man. Pila naman ako, Mommy.
Combine the dry ingredients first. Dry ingredients. Get all the dry ingredients. Get all the dry ingredients.
So-
Put that here. Put it here.
Flour first.
Yeah, flour.
So put it inside.
Okay, very good.
Next is
Sugar.
Sugar. Fruit.
Yeah, everything.
Oh my goodness, this is so.
Next, that's the combination of baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Right? And then mix everything. Mix.
Wait lang.
Mix.
Wow, this is so cool, guys. As you can see.
Mix everything. Just use one direction, Janaki. Just like Ate Alexa. She's just using one direction. Okay, so it's already combined. Now you need to get your
Oil.
oil.
So let's put everything that's in it.
Oil.
Oh my goodness, it's so amazing.
Mix.
Again, mix.
Uh-huh.
Wow! Oh my goodness.
Okay. Put in your bananas now. Mix your bananas.
Let's put our banana. Oh.
Okay, put in your bananas. Everything, like everything. Okay? Okay, mix everything. That's enough, Janaki. And then mix again. Mix again.
Ano gusto mo?
That's fine. Okay, mix again. How's everything, guys? Alexa, how's your batter now?
It's really hard.
Wow, that's looking so good. What about yours, Janaki?
It's really hard, guys.
Why is it hard?
Your hand is gonna get hardly.
Okay, so you just have to mix everything. Put in your vanilla now. You begin with yours, Janaki.
Me first.
Okay, just 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. Here. Make sure it's just 1/2, okay? 1 teaspoon and 1/2 teaspoon. More. It's gonna be level to that.
Can I?
More pa. Okay, there. Put in and mix again. Yours Ate Alexa. 1/2 teaspoon. Very good. Put in there. Okay, perfect. All right, mix again. Put it back here. Close that vanilla.
Vanilla texture.
Vanilla essence.
No, I call it vanilla texture.
Why?
It smells not good.
Smells good now. Okay, so line your cupcake trays with your cupcake liners, paper liners.
Ako ka, di ka siya masunod. Tumabang.
That's fine.
Pila rin kami tikon siya. 15 to 20 minutes.
Here is the cupcake. Now you can see. So you're gonna see. So you're gonna put it in the oven for baby and me. Pat a cake, bakers man. Bake me a cake and fast as you can. Roll it and pat it. Put it in the oven for baby and me.
All right, so here you go, guys. This is what they've made, and I'll be putting this in the oven. Our oven is already preheated to 180 degrees, and this will be baked for like 15 to 20 minutes or when a toothpick inserted comes out clean. Alright? I'll get this back. I'll get this later.
A few moments later.
Guys, our cupcake is now out of the oven and it's looking so good. It's so big, guys. Oh,
So
it's
this
so
is mine.
fluffy.
This is like this. This is mine. As you can see, this is mine because this is so big that it makes it giant. Like a giant. How about you? It's so giant.
Okay, so Janaki, how's your experience baking cupcakes?
I already made it last week.
Okay. And
Yeah, that's it.
that's it?
Yeah.
Was it hard or easy?
Hard. If
Why
you
is it
smash
hard?
the banana.
What?
If you smash the banana.
Okay, if you mash the banana, it's very hard. Okay.
Yeah.
Uh-huh. And Ate Alexa, what about you?
I like to bake.
You like to bake? Wow. Alright, so these are our finished product, guys. These are very good and looking so good.
NANI?! お前は
Yeah, your fingers are burned. Alright, guys, so here's our...
Really good.
Really good!
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up. What can you say with their baking?
Awesome.
Awesome?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, Em, what can you say about their baking? Love it, KO. Love it, KO. Love it, KO. Okay, so what can you say about their cupcakes?
Awesome. Really good.
Bishra, what can you say? Love it, kayo? Tapos sama ka na, nag-edit na ka? Tapos na ka, nag-edit na ka rin? Okay, Manuel, what can you say? Okay, guys, you eat now. You eat. Okay, you eat. Alexa, what can you say with your cupcake? Huh?
Yummy.
Yummy.
Yummy in my tummy.
Okay guys, so that's it for today. Thanks so much for watching our video today on how to make eggless banana cupcakes. Alright, so it's so easy guys. I hope you will make it up with your kids. Even kids can do it by themselves. Okay, so once again, this has been Barbara from Smart Cooking with Barbara, powered by Barbz Kitchen. See you again on our next sumptuous episode. Bye! Bye! Say goodbye!